1. Historical significance. Tin has been used by humans for thousands of years and was a critical component of bronze, an alloy of tin and copper, which marked the Bronze Age beginning around 3000 BCE. This period was pivotal in the development of metallurgy and the advancement of human civilization. 2. Properties. Tin is a soft, malleable, ductile metal with a silvery white color. It is not easily oxidized in air, which makes it resistant to corrosion. Tin can exist in two allotropes. White tin, the metallic form used in temperatures above 13.2 degrees Celsius, and gray tin, which is less dense and used in colder temperatures. 3. Applications. Today, tin is primarily used in solder, an essential component for joining pipes and electronic circuits. It's also used in tin plating to protect other metals from corrosion, in glass-making processes, and as a component in various alloys such as bronze and pewter. 4. Production. Tin is extracted mainly from the mineral cassiterite, where it occurs as tin dioxide. The largest producers of tin include China, Indonesia, and Peru. The extraction and refinement processes have significant environmental impacts, including land degradation and water pollution. 5. Tin cans. Despite the name, tin cans used for food storage are actually made from steel or aluminum with a thin coating of tin to prevent corrosion and food contamination. This use of tin revolutionized food storage and distribution in the 19th century. 6. Tin whiskers. In electronics, tin is known for the phenomenon of tin whiskers, which are tiny hair-like metal growths that can emerge from tin surfaces, potentially causing short circuits in electronic components. This issue is a significant concern in the aerospace and military sectors. 7. Biological role. Tin is not known to play any biological role in humans and is considered non-toxic in small amounts. However, certain organoid compounds can be toxic and have been regulated or banned in various applications due to health concerns. 8. Recycling. Tin is highly recyclable and can be reprocessed multiple times without loss of quality. Recycling tin saves energy and reduces the environmental impact associated with mining and processing new tin. 9. Market value. The price and demand for tin are influenced by its uses in electronics and technology, making it a valuable commodity on the global market. Fluctuations in tin supply and demand can significantly impact its price. 10. Cultural aspects. Tin has been associated with various cultural and mythological aspects throughout history. For example, tin is represented by the symbol SAN from the Latin word stannum and is associated with the planet Jupiter in alchemy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.